Hi everyone, and thank you guys for joining me. Today we're taking a look at a few gateway artifacts. You can see the lips of the character and the eye and the nose here, separated by the crack in the crystal. We can see some weird carvings up here, see these weird lines, and perhaps there's a headdress or hair that comes back. You can see the eye in different spots though. So choose your eye and just look at the color mostly here in the white. Now if you look on the left hand side, you'll see just in the paint here, the markings for the mouth, the nose, and the circle eye that has the little lashes coming out of it. And I can give a little zoom in on that so that you guys can see it. And that might help to see the face in front as well. You can see the way the lips are carved very, very well, very precisely. And when you start looking at these details, I can really point this one right at us here, and you can really get in there and see how the mouth and the lips are done, how the top lip, the bottom lip. It's uncanny. And if you're looking closer at this maybe being the eye now, this circle with the circle inside of it, you guys can see this dark spot with the darker spot in the middle, and then this circle eye here. Take a look at that as maybe the eye. And if you're looking at that as the eye, you can see the circle cut out for the face right here. And of course, those using those same lips going up toward another headdress or big hair piece. We may have a situation where we can get two eyes in there, but we'll go ahead and change our distances here so that you guys can see it really well. I'll make sure I keep our focus. For this right side silhouette, you guys can see this beautiful woman-ish, like etched into the stone here, the way it's carved, kind of separated. You can see her chin right here, her neck. This is her hairline. You can see how the nose is poking out. See that little sharp little point there. And if you look where the eye should be in this little silhouette, you can see how the eye's there and how the face is separated. You can see her high cheekbone right there at the corner. And you can notice how all the rest of this is her hair coming back. So it's just like a little statue, just right there, placed onto the stone as if it is a single effigy. This is a beautiful piece and it's extremely high level. We can go on and find more and more on this.